How to change screen resolution on Xbox Series S. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to change the screen resolution on your Xbox Series S in just a few easy steps. Whether you're trying to fix a blurry image, adjust for a new TV, or get the best performance possible, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the guide menu. First, press the Xbox button on your controller. This will open the guide menu on the left side of your screen. Step 2. Go to Settings. Now, scroll over to the tab called Profile and System. It looks like your profile icon. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Step 3. Enter TV and display options. Once you're in the Settings menu, go to the first tab on the left called General, and then select TV and display options on the right. Step 4. Change the resolution. Here, you will see an option called Resolution. Click it, and you will see a list of available resolutions like this. Choose the one that fits your display best. Step 5. Confirm the change. After selecting your resolution, the screen will go black for a few seconds. If everything looks good, confirm the new resolution. If not, just wait 15 seconds and will automatically revert back to the previous setting. Optional: adjust refresh rate or calibrate. While you're here, you can also adjust the refresh rate or calibrate HDR for better picture quality, but that's totally optional. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to change the screen resolution on your Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, feel free to like, share, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.